Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to improve your quickscoping skills in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, choose the right sniper rifle. Select a sniper rifle with good handling, aim down sight, speed, and minimal scope sway for quickscoping. Equip the right attachments. Attachments like short barrels, fast ADS optics, and stabilizing grips can improve quickscoping performance. Practice regularly. Dedicate time to practice quickscoping in custom matches or training modes to refine your technique. Master aim down sight. Develop muscle memory for quickly aiming down sight and acquiring targets swiftly. Control breathing. Use the hold breath mechanic to stabilize your scope and improve accuracy for precise shots. Adjust sensitivity settings. Fine-tune your sensitivity settings to find a balance between aiming speed and precision. Learn crosshair placement. Keep your crosshair at head level and pre-aim where enemies are likely to appear for faster target acquisitions. Practice flick shots. Practice snapping your aim onto targets quickly using flick shots to improve reaction time. Use aim assist if available. Utilize aim assist settings to assist with tracking targets while quickscoping. Study sniper scope zoom levels. Familiarize yourself with different sniper scope zoom levels to adapt to various engagements distances. Anticipate enemy movements. Predict where enemies will move next based on map knowledge and positioning. Practice quickscoping in different environments. Practice quickscoping in various maps and environments to adapt to different scenarios. And that's how to improve your quickscoping skills in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.